Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Tennessee Todd and Diane. Today we're at Lenoir City Dog Park here inside of Lenoir City Park. It's beautiful here. Take a look around. We're going to check it out and show you what it's got. This area over here is the large dog side. We usually go to the small dog side for obvious reasons, but the hill over there has a sidewalk that's too steep for Diane's scooter. It would basically suck the battery out, so we came over here. I'm going to walk over there and show you guys the small dog side in a minute. Over here they have a fenced off area, I believe because this area likes to fill up with water and become a pond. But as you can see, there's quite a large area for dogs to run around.
Look, Mojo, look.
Hi, Summer.
Okay, buddy. Like 3 at my house, I need to bring
A pet blessing box for pets from the Girl Scouts. Thank you, Girl Scouts. This dog park has some water, but it's outside of the dog park. Works pretty good. This is the hill I was talking about on the small dog side. Quite a large area for small dogs. And there's some stuff to play on up there too. Place is pretty big, huh?
Yeah, it is.
He's standing in the bowl.
Oh, Joe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to end the video here. Lenoir City Dog Park. Come visit.